What does it mean to love in India? It's the same love as anywhere else. Means it's not different. Means sure. Means it's a little different when you see about because India is kind of conservative about love and all that. But it's the same love everywhere.
But I think we have got rid of a lot of taboos and our conservative ideas. With time, we have changed, and this will also, I think, will get over it.
Does it mean love? It's probably the most explicit kind of love that you'd find because your bonding with your parents is very strong, and you get that feeling when you try to pass it on to someone. It is that kind of love that you try to pass on. So I think it's the best kind of love that you can have.
I think it's the same that there is everywhere in the world. It's not different.
I don't know, like love, it keeps changing from ideas, like generation to generation. If you would have asked my parents, so then it was something sacred. For us right now, it is something, the basic idea of love, what everyone feels like, like an emotional attachment to another person, that's it. But
In nowadays generation, I think we feel attached to a person who cares for us as much. But for our parents, it was more about what I'm going to be
it was more about culture and tradition. They didn't care about what love was. The idea of love came only after tradition. But right now, at least for me, if you ask me, like I prefer knowing a person than getting married to him. At least know him, if not be in love or whatever.
It's kind of complicated because if you think about the way society and parents pressure us to love in only certain circles, in certain financial situations and things like that, I think it's not really a open, free, independent thing like it should be. I mean, of course, it's not everywhere. It's only like very backward or very certain kinds of families where this kind of pressure is there. But
Somewhere it's damn,
yeah, some places it's very, very
it's
oppressive.
very good.
And
So it's not in balance everywhere.
yeah, in some places it's as free as can be, but in some places it's
As suffocating as it can be.
yeah, pretty much.
It's like how some people prefer coffee and some people prefer tea. I think we can just clearly demarcate. India has two kinds of love, for that matter. One through love marriage, having a relationship, going for a romantic relationship and thereafter, and the other one is having an arranged marriage. So in case of arranged marriage, it's more like you expect that there would be somebody, there is somebody destined for you. You just make it happen through your parents' contacts, and so on and so forth. And then, like how it goes on about in contemporary India, initially what used to happen much earlier is that you go for like the parents arrange everything, and that's basically how it's all fixed, and the bride doesn't get to see the husband before right on that podium when they are getting married. But nowadays it's more like they get through, like they get in touch, and thereafter they're led to mix within themselves. So they spend time together, they hang out somewhere or the other, and then after a point they get married. Then when we are going for a love marriage, we'll have certain weird reservations that otherwise we would probably not have had if like we belong to some other country, especially towards the West. But since we are here, we have to take into account our traditions. So I think it's very complicated to define love in India, because arranged marriage is simple, it's arranged, it's all sorted there. But in case of love marriage, you have reservations that you are not supposed to.
To love in India would be
Actually, it's I don't know. I think it's the same. Like it's everywhere. It's the same. Just that to continue to be in it, you have to have your parents' permission, maybe.
okay. Yeah. See, like basically, we'll start with, say, we got into a relationship. For the love in a relationship, say it started in college. But for it to properly move on, you do need your parents. Mom and dad are very open about a relationship, like they know about love. And I think we'll be fine. And
They're really cool. My parents, I don't know. I haven't yet told.
they don't.
I think it's all about going out. I mean, if you like someone generally, then you do everything according to that person. You really fall for that person. And I think in India, love really means it. Like when we say that, hey, listen, I think I love you. We have thought
really
about it.
mean
Yeah,
it,
we've
yeah.
thought about it. We've checked out other people as well. And it's like a matrimonial site where we check out everyone. No. Oh, this
You're
one's
like
nice.
100% sure
Yeah.
if you like really love the person. There's no playing around. It's also because of the society we are from, because of how we've been brought up, and our thoughts and perspectives are in such a manner that you don't generally get so much. Your thoughts don't align that way as to go and fool around with somebody or like make a joke about love as such. Like that's what I believe.
We are not saying that we don't fool around. Hey, we fool around a lot. But then, towards the end of the day, when we say love,
Love,
we mean
we mean
and when
the
we
term
say that
love.
we're in a relationship, I think we really get in a relationship to be in it. Our relationships last
like-
a little bit longer than the others. When we're in a relationship, we think that okay, what's the society gonna say? Even if you want to break it off. So we think 10 times, we try making it work
Like
10
when you-
times before calling it quits. But I
when
think
you
other
say the
places,
term
when they want
love-
to call it quits, they're like, hey, listen, tonight I'm going to sleep and tomorrow morning we won't be together.
When you say the term love, you mean it. It's not just for the sake of saying it.
Well, for most of the people in India, I think love is decided by the parents.
Basically, India is full of arranged marriages, but the system is changing, and we're moving forward, and the conventional things which the Indian parents do will not be carry forwarded when we become parents. That's for sure.